If you are in the Mediterranean, there's one flower that you cannot miss here on the beach. It's beautiful, it smells gorgeous, it's medicinal, and it looks like a daffodil. This is Pancratium maritimum, the sea daffodil, and it's actually from the same family than the daffodil, the Amaryllidaceae family. My name is Fidelia, and in this video I'm going to tell you all about Pancratium maritimum. So first of all, let's take a look at its scientific name, Pancratium maritimum. Pancratium, the genus, is made up of pan and cratium. Pan in Greek means all, and cratium comes from the Greek kratos, which means strength. So all strength. And this probably refers to its tonic properties, known since the ancient Greek times. Indeed, studies have shown that parts of the plant, namely the flower and the bulb, contain anti-cancer and antioxidant chemical compounds. And ongoing research shows that the pure black seeds contain an acetylcholinesterase inhibitor that could help cure Alzheimer's disease. All strength could also refer to the resistance of this plant that has to survive the extreme conditions of a hot and dry summer beach. Often the plants who are under the most stress are the most beneficial for us, because you see they have to create these chemical compounds in order to survive, and in turn they are good for us. The second part of its name, the species, maritimum, means from the sea, so it's a coastal plant, and it only grows on sand dunes and beaches, and it's native to the Mediterranean. So you see how it's interesting to look at a scientific name of a plant, as it's packed full of information. The flowers are pure white and give out a subtle lily scent that is said to be only perceptible during windless summer nights. The flower appears from May till September, but the flowers only open for a day and a half. But there are quite a few on the beach, so don't worry, if you miss one, you'll catch another. The pollination process of this flower still remains a little mysterious. Although bees visit the flower for food, they don't pollinate it. Some say that here in the Balearics it's the lizard Podacis lilfordi that pollinates the sea daffodil. Others believe that it's only giant migratory species of hawk moths that can pollinate the flower, and only if the wind speed is under 2 meters per second, which is really precise. So it's surprising that they are relatively common, considering the wind requirements and the limited presence of the hawk moth that is only here on vacation during part of the summer. The sad thing is that this beautiful flower is endangered. And it's endangered because its natural habitat is developed for tourism. Its flowers are over-harvested for their ornamental qualities, and its pollination process depends on many precise parameters, as we saw. There are fewer and fewer places where you can find the beautiful sea daffodil in Mallorca. So luckily there are natural reserves like these that protect such plants and allow us to still admire and observe them. Pancratium maritimum has been officially declared as a protected species here in the Balearics. So hopefully this will slow down its population's decrease.